Hello and welcome to the video of us finalising the Mk2 Golf for the road. In this video we'll show you briefly the exhaust and remapping at badger5. The exhaust is 3-inch stainless front to back with 2 boxes and twin tailpipes. They're 15 degree 2.25 inch slash cut tailpipes. The boxes are made by Pipeworks to our design, and that's just down welding them up for us. The exhaust was made from radius bends that were cut down and welded up, and once it was all done the exhaust come back off and was polished, and once polished it just looks like a little bit better. Once it's on the car we've tried it and it doesn't knock or bang anywhere, so we're happy with the way it fits, and I'm quite happy with the way it sounds, but you'll get a chance to hear that yourself in the latter part of this video at badger5. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. finished the day with 303 horsepower, and Bill managed to find a lot more torque and smoother curve, so we're quite happy with that. We picked up some new wheels and made ultimate dubs, so good result, and we'll continue building the car, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.